Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have two project shares that are going out. One is actually leaving today and one will be leaving towards the end of the month, but I wanted to share them before they leave. So the first project that I'm going to share with you guys is a large hoop mail. Let me move this around and make sure that you guys can see. There you go. So it's a large hoop mail, as you can see, very mermaid, rainbowish inspired. And I'm thinking if I should take everything out and show you guys, or yeah, maybe we'll pull everything out and then I'll just put it back after the video. So I made one of these cupcake liner flowers for the project. Super cute, try to match with all the colors. I put a bunch of goodies. There's goodies inside here, cute little clip. I wrote her name right here on this little flag. And then I made a couple of packages. I gave some little ephemera pieces in here, and then I sewed over the word ephemera. I gave some cute little gemstones. Here's another little baggie filled with goodies. Here's a little notepad that I added for the recipient. I added some candy. Of course, it's Easter. I made some of my rosettes. Did the same thing with the little letters and then the sewing right through them. Super cute. And then here's like another little bag with goodies. I sent some doilies with the same little design up here. It's just a little piece of paper that says my magical, what is it? My get stuff done list. My magical get stuff done list. Why couldn't I read that all in one shot? I love how it matches like the rainbows and stuff like that. Because I did use the same paper pad. And I think it's the magical paper pad from Michaels. Here's some more candy. And then I added this little paper pad right here and some straws. But yeah, you guys, this is the hoop and it's a 10-inch. You guys can see it's a shaker. How cool is that? It has the tool in it. And then I just put some like little flowers here. I did some pom-pom trim around it, some ribbon up top. And then in the back, it just says handmade by Lily. But I love how it turned out. I ended up using Wifey's little rosette since it was so puffy, and just added a flower ephemera piece to it and some pom-poms. But yeah, you guys, this is some hoop mail that will be going out soon. And then the next piece of mail that I want to show you is birthday mail for a friend, and this is what it looks like. It's a birthday cake flip book, and we have a bunch of trim coming out from here just because I love how it looks. And what I did was I cut out the shape of a cake. I added some little candles up here, and I put a bunch of little gemstones, kind of like looking like those little dots that they put on cakes. I wrote her name right here. I added some flowers to the cake. And then we'll look at what the pages look like in the inside. So when you open it up, I used a lot of the Echo Park Happy Birthday collection, I think it is. So we got a little party hat with a little pom-pom, some flowers, some trim. Party like a llama. This is dreaming. And then we have like this little belly band right here with some tags. And it says friends. And then I put a little clip again. Added a bunch of little trims to all the tags. And then on this one, it just has like a little birthday cake. It says, it's your birthday, make a wish. Some flower ephemera, little hearts, these cute little banners. And then on this one, we have like a little frame with the little unicorn. It says best friend forever. This little bunny balloon, I put a bow on her. And then this says let's eat cake. I made a little, I sewed around it. We have 3 different crepe papers in the back, just because you think crepe paper, you know, it's like party streamers and stuff like that. So I put 3 little layers in the back. We got some gifts right here. And then of course I made her a shaker with the tool, just because I'm loving that right now. So I did that for this part. And then right here it just says so much fun, a little party hat, a little star balloon, and a little chickie, and little gemstones. And then this one right here, which is like one of my favorite pages, it says happy birthday, coffee, talk, shop, repeat. Life was made for a good friend, for good friends and great adventure. Good times, friends make me happy, and these little florals right here. I put a little package of ephemera pieces in here for her. It says so happy, cute little cupcake with a pom-pom up top, some pom-pom trim, and a little cupcake in the back, and the Handmade by Lily. And that's what that looks like. There's going to be another video showing how I package up this birthday box, because there's more that's coming with this package. But yeah, you guys, that's it for my video today. I just wanted to share these 2 projects with you guys, give you guys some ideas, and yeah, happy Friday. Actually, no, I'm not gonna upload this on Friday because I have to wait for them to receive it. So it's Friday for me, but still happy Friday. But by the time you watch this, I have no clue when. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.